GoPro has officially announced the new Hero 7 line of cameras split into white, silver and black variants. The prices of these models are $199, $299 and $399 respectively. The black version, which is powered by the custom processor GoPro, introduced last year, offers 4K video capture at up to 60 frames per second, super slow motion and new features like live streaming, a hyperlapse style time-lapse model. The image stabilization is also improved. There is no change in the dimensions compared with the previous models of GoPro. The user interface on the touchscreen has been tweaked. Hero 7 Black has more RAM than the last model. The way how the image stabilizing is happening is by cropping in slightly on the image and wrapping the edges with the sensors inside. It is able to compute the change in the direction of the camera. The Hero 7 Black can live stream over a phone's cellular connection. Time-lapse is also there. The silver and white models are cheaper and hence do not have some features like the other one. If you like the video, do subscribe to get contents like these, and also it would make us happy.